podiatrist based at Podiatry at the clinic in Moulton, North Yorkshire.
We've recently introduced RS Footscan technology to the clinic in Moulton, and we find this has really complemented our current assessment of patients with foot and ankle or lower limb problems. The RS scan provides specific foot measurements of your standing and walking pattern, which are not always visible to the naked eye. The information that we gather from RS scan can be used to prescribe Phits Orthotics. We are the first clinic in Yorkshire to be offering Phits Orthotics, and the reason why Phits technology is so unique is because the prescription taken for the orthotics is based upon a dynamic moving assessment rather than the usual static impression that is often used. We value this dynamic information as it is the closest we can get to mirroring normal movement. Phits Orthotics can be used for a multitude of sporting injuries, and many athletes have been successfully treated at the clinic in Moulton, including runners, cyclists, rugby players, golfers and many more individual sports. Additional to treating sporting injuries, Phits Orthotics can be used to offload peak pressure areas of the foot for patients that have ongoing medical conditions such as diabetes and rheumatoid arthritis. If you would like further information, then please visit our website at www.theclinicmoulton.co.uk or call the clinic direct on 01 653 228 026.